Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to test those side mirrors on BMW. So if you got side mirrors that don't fold, maybe the blind spot light is not working, a number of issues there. I'll show you where to read the codes and then how to do some testing. So if you're using the YOUCANIC scanner, what you want to do is you want to first go to diagnostics, then BMW, then select your module, which we have already done. We're working on BMW 7 Series here. So once you do that, you'll come to control modules, go to drive, go to body domain controller, DTC. The first thing you should do is read the codes, because a lot of times you might have cut wires that go to the window, or like the motors inside the windows are going to be defective. So you can read the codes because you're going to have a code here. In this case, we don't have any codes that point to any issues with the side mirror. So we go back and go to active tests, and then we look in here for the side mirrors. Sun blind, outside rear view mirror. You select that, and then you can do a few tests here. Exterior mirror self test, press activate, and then our mirrors are just folding on their own, and both sides did that, so that's good. We can go back. Curb position mirror, so your passenger mirror will, when you put the transmission in reverse, the passenger mirror folds down. So let's test that. So right here I'm activating it from the scan tool, and you can see that mirror is pointing down to the rear wheel, and if I deactivate on the scan tool, it moves back up. Let me show you. So activate, and it folds down the mirror on the passenger side, deactivate, it brings it back up. So this is for, you can test other things in the mirrors as well. You can move them, like you can control the mirror itself to go open and close. You can also, the little triangle on the mirror, the triangles that tell you if there's a car on your blind spot, you can test that as well. Press OK, press activate, and you can see the triangle there turning on, flashing. I'll turn it off on the scan tool, turn it back on again. You can see how you're testing that. Sometimes like that light itself can be bad, but usually if there's an issue, you'll have a fault code. If you go back and read codes from this control module that we're in, again, it's BDC, or body domain controller. This is where you want to troubleshoot your side mirrors. Read the codes. You can look at live data as well. But there's a few other systems. There's a lot of systems actually that are kind of monitored and controlled by this control module, like lights and windows and so on. So, but yeah, thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.